Well, church, welcome to Gosen. This week we had the opportunity to partner with them and helping them rebuild this sanctuary and making it back into a church. So you can see kind of here the color difference up there. This is all new corrugated. This is the whole section that blew off. So we sheetrock these rooms. These are the pastors and secretaries. This is what conference room here. And then back here is the kitchen.
The buckets have it
Well, like that.
Alright, we're not putting another piece of sheet.
Nope. This was completely destroyed. The roof was blown off this whole area. So our team did a good job rebuilding all this. And we added this vertical rise up here just to hide the air conditioning and heating units behind there. This all got ruined mostly because the rain was coming in from the other end across the building.
Teníamos una meta
We have a goal.
de terminar la remodelación
We have a goal to finish the sanctuary
para Semana Santa.
for by Holy Week,
Estábamos en contra del reloj
and we were a little backed up,
y ustedes han hecho posible que inauguremos en Semana Santa.
and you've made it possible that we will open up Resurrection
Y vamos a
Sunday.
enviar video y fotos.